Hey guys, this is Furwest from Furwest. Today we have the OnePlus smartwatch no one have reviewed in YouTube. Actually, one or two persons have reviewed in YouTube, but this is the best watch because the OnePlus didn't have released any smartwatches, but the clone are released soon. You can see this is the box. The watch price is just 1300 rupees. Cash on delivery also available. For 1300 rupees is worth or not? Let's see in the video. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the more information. Let's go to the video. And this is the box looks like Never Settle edition, and you can see the some features here. The logo, the chrono is rotatable but not working. Here a logo, and you can see that there are so many features here written. 3 colors available. 3 colors also we have. Okay, black, pink, white. We have white now, I mean silver. You can see the features, and you can set own wallpaper on this watch. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's get inside. This is the box. Inside you can see this packing material cheap, but for the price it's okay. This is the watch. Oh, the build quality is worth for money, we'll say. Let's keep it inside. And inside we got a visiting card of our company. If you want to buy this watch, you need to message to this number on WhatsApp. We have COD option, cash on delivery option also we have. And if you want to see more products like AirPods, watches, Sony copy, all watches available. If you want to see, visit our Instagram ID. Okay, and if you want to see the review of some watches, you can visit our YouTube channel also. You can skip it inside. Let's take. This is the straps we get, white color. For the price it's okay, worth for money, I will say. Inside we have the charger. This is the clip type charger. Actually you need to clip this, like, see there's 2 pin, need to touch this point. 2 pin need to touch, it will charge. Okay, let's keep it inside and unbox. Let's see what's inside the watch. Okay, this is the watch we get. This is a silver color edition. There is a 2 button also working. The scroll is not working actually, but it's a back button, it's a power button. This is the back side off. You can see it's a plastic, but it's very shiny like a ceramic. Sports watch, 42mm. This is not 42mm actually, this is a 44mm watch. This is also 44mm only, but they written 42mm. Okay, let's on this watch. Wow, you can see the boot is coming with OnePlus logo. I will show you one more time. See, let's see. The boot is opening with OnePlus logo actually. You can see the sound also. This is our logo actually, Starwatch and accessories. Because you also you can keep your photo also in this watch. Okay, let's connect to these straps. Okay, it's easy only, but yeah, okay. For you can also put external straps also. You need to buy 42 by 44mm. Backside you can see the watch is looks like a original watch of Apple Watch copy. And let's on. There is so many. This is very cool wallpaper. Looks like original. Girls will like this wallpaper. And these are also very cool. These are off display watch actually. For the money it's very much better. These are 1.54 inch. This is 1.74 inch. Sorry, yes, 1.74 inch. The brightness of the watch is okay for the money. This is a good watch face. I also put in my hand, you can see. Just easy to wear. Just insert this pin to okay. This watch have, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 wallpaper with external 1 extra wallpaper. Total 6 wallpaper we have with 2 button. This watch have calling option also. You can need to connect from app, and you can call anything, and you can talk with in this watch only. This is a heart rate monitor actually. It's not working, but the watch is very worth for money, I will say. If you want to buy just 1300 rupees, 1300 only. Cash on delivery also available. If you want to buy this watch, please contact this number. This is a WhatsApp number. Message on this number, link in description. You can click that also. You can contact from our channel. Okay guys, bye bye. See you in next video.